Okay guys, we are at my mom's house getting ready to take a walk, a hike up on the hill with the puppies. I hope everyone enjoys. Back there's Jalen, but I think Mommy went down. There she is. She's back there. This is a steep hill, everybody. But we thought we'd do it today. We don't have church tonight, and so we thought we'd take a little hike here on Sunday. Enjoy the good, beautiful day that it is the Lord has given us. And the puppies are having a ball. What's up, guys? Y'all having a good time? Well, yeah, it would. But her memory still floats. Yeah. I am, honey.
Sweat.
Sweating like a pig.
What in the world? My son's sick of her stomach, by the way, guys.
They went down there to check on her, see if she's okay.
The reason why Michael's sick right now because she never works out. This is her first time working out, guys. I'm not even kidding. So right here it shows she's being lazy because she's just sitting here. Really good. So me and Dad.
two ladies couldn't handle it. They're back here complaining and whining. You know how they Mommy getting sick. Jalen's tired and wants to just sit down here at my maws. And it's